In a strange twist of fate, the prehistoric meets the modern. An unknown creature quietly awakens to perform its routine. A visitor from another age steps into a world unknown. In a world of treadmills and titans, only one apex predator trains like this. A cautious advance, then a sudden lunge. But the tiny machine is programmed for persistence. A primal chase erupts, predator and vacuum. Through the great unknown, a path of destruction. But speed is no match for clumsiness. He falls, but the battle isn't over. Perhaps this creature isn't a threat after all. Two worlds side by side, unaware of the absurdity. Still, the mystery lingers. Sometimes peace begins with understanding. Dinosaurs in a world they never knew, but somehow they belong.